There you go.
Hello nail art warriors! I'm Maria from SoNailicious.com, where we bring you fabulous nails daily. And today I'm going to show you how to do geode nails. I have done this nail design for the first time a few months ago, and it created so much interest on social media and Instagram. It became very popular, so today I'm going to show you the improved version, and you would need the Warrior nail art brush with that. The design looks very advanced, but it's actually very easy to do if you know how. And that's what I'm going to show you. And you can do it in any different colors that you like, not necessarily blue. I've done it in blue and purple, but it can be also green or pink or grey, anything you like really. So my best tip would be Google a photo of geode. That will give you a great idea on the colors, which colors to use for your design. So choose the colors you want, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. For the polishes that I'm using in my tutorial, there is a full product list in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the SoNailicious channel so you don't miss any fabulous tutorials coming your way. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these geode tutorials, and of course I can't wait to see your recreations. Make sure you show me on Instagram, Facebook and everywhere. #SoNailicious. And if you have any special requests for the tutorials or for nail art techniques or any nail art tips, nail care questions, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and maybe my next tutorial will be dedicated to you. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay polished!
There you